Hey, if you've ever wondered why your amazing content isn't showing up in AI search engines like ChatGPT, Claude, or Perplexity, you are not alone. I've seen it happen to so many WordPress site owners. They pour their heart into creating posts, but AI search just ignores them. Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to create and optimize your content for AI search and the secret weapon that makes it super easy, the GEO Optimizer WordPress plugin. Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn your site from invisible to AI cited in just minutes. First, let's talk about the problem. Most WordPress sites are invisible to AI search. Why? Well, AI engines crave direct answers, structured content, and proper schema markup. If your posts don't have FAQs, answer capsules, or the right JSON-LD schema, AI just doesn't know your content exists. And here's a big one. Most sites block AI bots by default. That means ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity can't even crawl your pages, so all your hard work, it's literally invisible to the fastest growing traffic source on the internet. Now here's the good news. There's a solution, and it's called GEO Optimizer. This plugin is a complete AI search optimization toolkit for WordPress. It handles all the technical stuff, structures your content for AI, and even enhances your posts automatically. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech wizard. I promise, it's all done in just a few clicks. Step 1. Install GEO Optimizer like any normal WordPress plugin. Step 2. Add your free Anthropic API key, just paste it in one field. Step 3. Toggle on the features you want. Schema markup, AI bot access, llms.txt file. Done. That's literally it for setup. Once the plugin is active, you can start enhancing your posts. With GEO Optimizer's Auto AI Ready Writer, you select any post, click AI Ready, and watch it automatically add FAQs, answer capsules, proper headings, and authority signals. This is the kind of structure AI loves, the kind that gets your content cited in ChatGPT answers, Claude search results, and even Perplexity mentions. Now let's talk about results. Sites using GEO Optimizer have seen some incredible improvements. ChatGPT citation rates jump by over 340%. Perplexity mentions up by 290%. Google AI overview appearances increase by 180%. And Claude search results up by 220%. Even better, every post is automatically backed up before enhancement, so you can revert it with one click if you want. Zero risk, total control. So why should you care? AI search traffic converts higher than traditional search. We're talking up to 4 times higher. And with AI growing so fast, getting your site visible now could give you a serious edge over competitors who are still doing regular SEO only. With GEO Optimizer, you're not just optimizing for Google, you're optimizing for the future of search, the AI-powered search engines that are quickly becoming the go-to way people find answers online. Here's a quick peek at the features. AI Bot Access Manager, JSON-LD Schema Injection, llms.txt file generation, FAQ detection, answer capsules, Geo Audit Scoring, Bing Auto Ping, and one-click content revert. Everything you need to dominate AI search in one plugin. Ready to make your content AI cited? It really is that simple. Install GEO Optimizer, toggle on the features, enhance your posts, and watch AI start referencing your site in just a few weeks. And the best part? There's a 14-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. If you want to stop being invisible and start getting traffic from AI search today, click the link in the description to get started. I promise, it's a game changer for your WordPress site. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more AI search tips, and leave a comment if you've tried optimizing your site for AI. I'd love to hear your results. Until next time, keep creating, keep optimizing, and get cited by AI.